Sorkar Jylla lembat Nongkitkam Shnong bat Nong niam Iasoi daka community accord bapin kubor banya yang terli kawai haga banyakhun persya ya droks apo ka drug rehabilitation elimination and action mission nika DREAM mission Jylla Meghalaya yaga nika accord Iasoi haga program jang katanat social welfare kumshubinta jang ka program badang supalachen ka drug rehabilitation elimination and action mission ni DREAM but bringing unity in local against drugs ni BUILD Banwanra ya kajing yatali kawai hapadeng Nongkitkam Shnong but nong niam lembat ka Sorkar ha kajing yakun persya ya drugs kabalong negas ni baar house sutham auditorium hagani ka program ka Sorkar kala ajing yarap song pisaru syaka maulai dorbar ban riolak tingka ben pinya ya ki rehabilitation camp balabut ka dorbar ka ben pinchlo re ki wei ki dorbar Shnong bikin shimlang ya ka juk ka sinjam hakaleng ki jaka ka Jylla Menteri Rangba ke Jylla Konrad ke sangma ula penchongkun yakni ke program kum ukong san ha ke jingdon lang Menteri katanat social welfare ba polling do ke Menteri ka kot ka khia kong amperin ling do u Director General of Police Dr. LR Bishnoi bat QA habakran ha ke jinglang Menteri Rangba ula ong bagi samla ki di ka spa ba ya ke Jylla bat ka riben kintiu ya ke yok ka kot ula keren ru halor ki program ki policy ki ba ka Sorkar kelawan ra na ka benda ki samla la ha ka kam ni lekai ka put ka tem ka sengkam sengjam bat QA Kibala banyarap iki samla bikin light na kajinglin ki besniu.
Meghalaya is a very strong community-based system. Our community leaders play a crucial role in all different social aspects of our lives. I remember those difficult times during COVID when we had huge challenges. And I want to share and tell you that if it was not for our community leaders and their support at the grassroots level, the challenges would have been much more difficult. We would not have been able to do the kind of things we were able to at least do to some extent. I'm not saying everything went perfect because it was a huge challenge. But if it was not for the community leaders, I'll tell you today, and I said it before also, it would have been very difficult. Let's be flexible in one way or the other to accommodate the different kind of inputs that we get, learn from those inputs, adapt to it, and accordingly change our strategy if required. I think it's so important because we're dealing with human beings out here and we're dealing with sensitive situations. We're dealing with people who have been through a lot of emotional stress and physical stress and psychological stress. So how do we make sure that we're able to come out of this? It may take time, but with the right mind, with the right approach, with good teamwork, we will be able to reach our dream of having a drug-free Meghalaya, and we hope that we'll be able to achieve these goals. So let the sports persons talk about drugs and how we should stay away from it, but at the same time how we should be, sympathetic and empathetic towards individuals who are going through these difficulties. I would want Meghalaya Games to be also part, or Dream Project to be part of the Meghalaya Games, where it will be great and it will be something that should continue, because as you know, Meghalaya Games will happen every year. So this time it's happening, and you'll be surprised that in the last 17 years it's happened only 3 times, twice in the last 5 years and once 17 years back. And so now this is the 3rd time, but now from now on we're going to have it every year.